In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read a PDF aloud in Adobe Acrobat Reader. This is a really handy feature for those times when you want to listen to a document rather than read it yourself, maybe while multitasking, or to assist with accessibility needs. Let's dive right into it. First, open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you're not familiar with this step, simply open your Acrobat Reader application and navigate to File at the top left corner, then click Open and select the PDF you want to read aloud. With the document open, you can now easily activate the Read Out Loud feature. Now, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, locate View. Clicking on View will present a drop-down menu. Hover over or click on Read Out Loud. You will notice an option to activate Read Out Loud. Go ahead and select this. What you've just done is enable your Acrobat Reader to start reading any PDF for you. Having activated the Read Out Loud feature, return again to the View menu, hover over Read Out Loud. Here, you have a couple of options to choose from depending on how much of the document you'd like to be read to you. If you're interested in only the current page, you can simply choose Read this page only. This command prompts Acrobat Reader to read just the page you're viewing. This can be particularly useful if you only need information from a specific section, or if your concentration works best when focusing on smaller chunks of text. However, if you prefer to let Acrobat Reader continue reading from the current page all the way to the end of the document, you'll want to select Read to End of Document. This will trigger a continuous read-through from your starting point. It's a convenient way to absorb longer documents, such as reports or ebooks, without constantly returning to your device to advance to the next page. Should you need to take a break from listening, or if you're coming across a section you'd like to skim rather than hear out loud, Acrobat Reader provides options to easily pause or stop the reading. Head back to the View menu, hover again over Read Out Loud. You'll find options labeled Pause and Stop Reading. Choose Pause if you plan to resume listening shortly after, or Stop Reading if you're done with the voice reading for now. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, Adobe Acrobat Reader transforms from a static document reader to an engaging auditory tool. You can enjoy your document hands-free whether you're on the go or relaxing at home. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your reading experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.